Good morning, guys. So today is filming day. Yeah, I'm gonna film today. I haven't changed my clothes yet. I'm gonna do that after. I'm still gonna fix Yanis's breakfast right now, so I'm cooking and then Yanis is there.
Good morning, Ma.
Okay, so the timer is off right now, so I'm gonna feed Yanis first, and then I'm gonna change my clothes, and then I'm gonna do film. I'm gonna be busy. I hope I can make a few videos today. I know I'm not yet used to looking at the lens and just like looking at the viewfinder right now, so I have my ring light on, but I'm gonna using my DSLR.
Wait, Mommy.
I'm gonna feed first Yanis, and then I'm gonna do this review, change my clothes, and I'm gonna do my foundation too, and then I'll proceed for my face. Okay, let's do this. Oh, it's good. Hi guys. So basically I'm done with my makeup today, and hopefully I can post this soon, edit it. Now I'm finished my other eye, and then now I'm gonna do this eye. I hate this, putting some lashes, and the most dreaded thing that I don't really like about doing makeup is putting some lashes. It's either it could ruin my look or it could bump up my eyes, but it's just very dreading for me, you know, especially I have sensitive eyes, and this is what it normally does with my eyes. And yeah, hopefully this would be good. About you guys, do you have any problems with putting your lashes? Me, I do. How many times did I do this? But it's always, I always have a problem with putting lashes. I'm not really good at it, and I hate it. If only I have like voluminous eyelashes, I would do it. Okay, putting it in the middle first, and then doing it like so. And sticking up good right now. So.
Want to get up?
Oh yeah, bam!
Want to get up? I want to get up. I want to get.
And then you have a baby right next to you, making it so kulit. All right, yay! I did it. Putting on some lashes is really hard, huh? Well, I'm just not an expert with lashes. Lashes is just a dreaded thing. But I did this. I did it. I'm so glad. Okay, you can play with that. So,
I want to get up.
eyeliner to clean it up.
See.
What?
Ouchie for you, Ma.
It's out, yeah. Okay, is it better? Yay! Putting on some lashes is what? I don't even know what to say. How about you, Yan?
Nope.
How do I look?
Good.
Good.
Try.
Yay, we finished! So I'm basically done with my eye look today. As you can see on here. This is my eyes. So I'm already done. I'm gonna clean up all the mess right here. So this is the aftermath. It's always like that. And I see up here my backdrop here. It's just a paper, you know. It's easy to. And then my ring light is here on the window. It's like, I don't have a stand here, so I always have a problem with my ring light falling off. Now I'm gonna wash off my face. I do really like my makeup. For my foundation, I'm using CYO with CoverGirl BB cream, the dark one. So I mix it up, and this is what it looks like. It does look nice. And for contouring, chocolate Too Faced, of course I do like that. MacLeod, which is also my favorite, and then my recent one is Elf, not the Elf, the Essence Nude highlighter, which I do like right now. And yeah, I'm gonna finish all of this mess right here. It's always like that, the aftermath of doing beauty tutorial.
Stop the dream.
Okay, so now we're here to
Nana's room.
to do a puzzle, right?
Yes.
So we got it here, scattered on the floor. We did it last night, and Yan wants to do it again.
Nope.
Right? Yeah.
Square one.
We're gonna do it again, right?
No, a square one.
So this is what the box looks like, and me and Yan we're gonna do it.
Oh no!
Come on, let's go. Come on. I'm gonna do the bottom. I'm gonna do the bottom, this one. Okay, I'll do the bottom, and Yan will do the sky. Come on. Help. You better help.
I don't want to make this one.
You better help.
I'm going to make a truck.
I'm gonna help him. Here in his room. Okay, come on. I'm gonna find the bottom pieces first.
Oh yeah,
Come on, Yan. Where's the bottom pieces? Okay, here's the bottom pieces. Okay, bottom piece first. Oh, you're done?
No.
Okay, I'll take it out then.
I want it.
I'll put it back in the box. You're not helping mommy.
I want it.
You're not helping mommy.
Ow. I'm gonna help you, mommy.
Okay, help mommy. You're not helping. So Come on.
That one.
Okay. So now I'm editing this first impression, and I'm about to put Yanis to sleep while I'm editing here, starting to edit these bodies. So I'm just gonna say thank you so much for watching. I'll be seeing you next time, and I hope you have a good day.